In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call to action buttons in Google Vids. Get ready to enhance your videos with interactive elements that not only captivate, but also engage your viewers, driving them to take action right from the video they are watching. First off, let's dive straight into the heart of Google Workspace and shine a spotlight on Google Vids, a powerful platform that enriches your video content. Now, to begin, you'll need to navigate to the Google Vids page. This step is your launching pad into the world of interactive video content. Upon arriving at the page, the next course of action is to sign in. Click on the sign in button to proceed. This takes you to a page where you'll select the appropriate Google account to use. It's a smooth sail from here. Simply choose the account you'd like to work with. Once you're logged in and ready, the real magic begins. You're going to want to insert some interactive flair into your video. Locate and click on the Insert button. This is where the foundation for audience engagement is laid. After clicking Insert, direct your attention to the option labeled Text. This is crucial as it paves the way to the next step. Next up, you'll want to focus on leveraging one of Google Vids' most powerful features, calls to action. Click on this option to bring up a variety of interactive buttons that can be added to your video content. Now you're at a pivotal point. It's time to choose your call to action button for interaction. This selection will depend on what you want your viewers to do, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, visiting a website, or any other action. The choice is yours. By selecting a call to action button, you invite your audience to interact directly with your content, not just passively consume it. This interaction can significantly increase engagement rates and drive action, crucial for marketers, educators, and content creators alike. A few tips as you make your selection and customize your call to action. Consider the action you want viewers to take and choose a button that clearly communicates this. Customize the button's text to be action-oriented, concise, and compelling. For example, learn more, sign up now, or get started today are direct and encourage viewers to take action. Also, pay attention to the placement of your call to action button. You'll want it to be in a spot where it easily catches the viewer's eye without being intrusive to the video content itself. Typically, placing it towards the end of the video or at strategic points where viewers are most engaged works best. After selecting and customizing your call to action button, preview your video. It's essential to see how the button integrates with your content, ensuring it appears at the right moment and functions as expected. This step also allows you to assess the overall flow of the video and make any necessary adjustments before your content goes live. Ultimately, the power of your video content is not just in the message it delivers, but also in the actions it inspires. By adding a call to action button, you transform your videos from passive pieces of content into interactive experiences that motivate viewers to engage further with your brand or message. To wrap things up, always remember to save your changes. With Google Vids, changes are typically auto-saved, but a manual save can ensure all your hard work isn't lost. There you have it. You're now equipped to add call to action buttons to your Google Vids, enhancing viewer engagement and driving action. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing educational content, or simply looking to increase viewer interaction, these interactive buttons can significantly boost the efficacy of your video content. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and that you feel confident in applying these steps to your next video project. Engaging your audience is key in today's digital world, and interactive videos are a step forward in achieving that engagement. Thank you for watching and happy creating. Whether you're a seasoned video creator or just starting out, the ability to engage and direct your viewers is now at your fingertips.